Hi people, welcome to my channel. I'm Sichamba Jacob. So I've got these two exam questions. There is A and B. So we'll start with we'll start with A. So you copy the expression that you've been given. Okay. So once you copy there, what are you supposed to do? There are very simple rules that you must put into consideration. Rule number one, check the powers that you have where the letter that you are expecting um, has. Okay, so in this case, x has the power 2. So what are you supposed to do to this power? Add a 1. Then you say minus, okay? Where there is no letter and you are integrating, there is only a number. Put the letter that you are expecting. In this case, we are expecting x. So put x. So now, here, what happens here? There is 2 plus 1. So just get that thing, the way it looks, put it down like this. Okay, are we done? Not yet. We need to simplify. So here we have 6, we have x. When we say 2 plus 1, what are we getting? It's 3. Here it's also 3. Okay, minus 5x. Okay, so now here we have to divide. Okay, we know that 3 into 3 is 1, into 6 is 2. So we have 2x power 3 minus 5x. So to show that this is the integration and there is a constant, we have to say plus the c. Always put a c. You say plus c. You can only avoid putting a c if you have the limits here and here. So now there are no numbers here, there are no limits. You need to put a plus 1. So this is how you work out A. Okay? So let's try to check B. What are we supposed to do on B? On B, copy also everything. We'll say this is our step 1. We copy the way it looks. So this is what we have. And what letter are we respecting? It's X. So the next thing here now will be to change the way it looks here. Okay, whenever you see a fraction, okay, you see we have a fraction here and we have a fraction here. Now here there is a fraction and there is a letter that we are respecting. It's down here, so we cannot integrate the way it looks here. So we need to change things using the laws of indices. It will look like this. This side will maintain because we have no letter down here. There is only a number. Okay, even here everything is okay on this, but the problem is right here. This x squared must go on top, so it will look like this. It was the power 2. Here it will be power negative 2. That's all. Okay, so now at this point we can integrate. So how do we now integrate? The same procedure. Add a 1. Okay, so we add a 1 to this power. There is already a 2 here. Okay, don't forget this 2. So once we add there, we divide by that, like we did here. Okay, we added and divided. So here we say minus 5. What power is here? It's 1. So plus 1 over the same that we have here. Okay, here we say plus x. Okay, there we have a 1. Here we say plus 1, and we divide by what we have right here. Okay, so now at this point, we now need to be very smart. If you have a fraction like this, there is a number on top and a number below. This, whatever value you get here, will be multiplied by the number that is right here. This is division. So we have 3 here, we have a 4 over a 2 times a 4. Because this thing will give us a 4. This is the 4 we're talking about right here. Okay? Minus 5x power 2 over 2. When we add here, we get a 2. Here, we get a 2. Here, we have plus x power 1 over negative 1. This one is giving us negative 1. Even here, negative 1. Good, we're almost there. So our next step here will now be to clean up. Okay, so how do we clean up? Here we have 3x power 4 over, okay, over 8. Because 2 times 4 is 8. Minus here, we'll copy the way it looks, over a 2. Here we have something like this. Okay, because negative, if we divide this negative and positive here, will give us a negative. 1 can go into whatever is on top. So this is what we'll remain with. We even put plus c. So this is our solution. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also if you need online tuitions, you get in touch with me right here. So let me write the number for you. This is the number that you WhatsApp me, and I will respond back to you. Bye-bye.